Backtrack and Waypoints are extremely helpful features on the Apple Watch. But what are the differences between them? And how do you use them? Let's find out. With Waypoints, you can easily mark interesting landmarks or spots like where you park your car, and then see the distance and direction to all the waypoints that you created. Backtrack, on the other hand, is best for places where you're not likely to have connection and can track your route by creating digital breadcrumbs that help you retrace your steps back if you get lost. On the Ultra, it automatically starts the Backtrack feature once it detects that you do not have a good signal. Anyone with an Apple Watch Series 6 or later can use them. This includes the Apple Watch SE as well. These features aren't limited to the Apple Watch Ultra. That said, Apple Watch Ultra owners get extra perks like the Wayfinder watch face that puts the Compass app front and center. You can also use the action button as a shortcut to drop waypoints or start Backtrack on the go. You've got a few ways to create waypoints. The quickest way is through the Compass app. Open the Compass app and tap the waypoint icon to add the current location. It's in the lower left-hand corner. You'll see a label section with a suggested name. You can edit the name to something more memorable. Scroll down and you'll see the color and symbol sections to differentiate and easily recognize the waypoints. Then tap Done. You only see waypoints that are within 50-mile radius of your current location. Apple Watch Ultra owners can create waypoints quickly with the Action button. To program the Action button, open the Settings app, tap the Action button, tap Action, then select Waypoint or Backtrack. Now when you press the Action button, you can create a waypoint at your current location. Your waypoints appear as dots on the compass dial. To see a full list of the waypoints you have added, tap the Menu button, then scroll down to Waypoints. This is where you can delete them as well. To use Backtrack, open the Compass app and tap the footprint icon at the start of your hike. The Backtrack button becomes a pause button and the compass begins tracking your route. When you're ready to head back, tap the pause button and then tap Retrace Steps. Follow the white path and the arrow back. The location where you first tap the footprint icon will be your destination. When you're finished, tap the animated footprint icon again and tap Delete Steps. And that's how you use Backtrack and Waypoints. Let me know down in the comments below what Apple Watch features do you love the most. And with that being said, I'm Zain, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.